God bless.
Thanks, man. I need. I'm gonna sneeze. I have a sneezing issue, I'm sorry.
Guys, Lana was like jumping in like, yo, come down! Oh, here she goes sneezing. Up.
Moment, ich muss niesen. Entschuldige. Ah, das ist meine Allergie. So, muss ich nochmal? So, ich glaube, wir können weitermachen.
Excuse me. Gosh, that was powerful. Box of tissues. Always have tissues on your makeup table. They come in handy.
Berries, banana, and apple. Oh god, I gotta sneeze. And then I just fill the thing up with water. Fill the thing up with water and voila. I'm going
Outside. And I had to call off work this morning. Well, I had to text because I don't have a voice, obviously. Oh my god.
Oh god. I'm very sensitive to like smells, and man, I think this is making me sick.
I'll die.
Or you'll just get put on the internet, which is probably worse.
Ew. I'm allergic to cheaters.
To put all the stuff that I buy in. I'm about to sneeze. You guys caught it here, excuse me.
What are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm here today with Emma Chamberlain, Ellie Thurman, and Hannah Moa. She needs a little tishy tish. To deal with when it's wet. Hold on. I have to sneeze.